Hi peeps, super glad you are here. In this episode 24 divided by 12 which equals 2 and 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Now we have this problem 2 divided by 2 which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division 24 divided by 12 equals 2. So we have 2 divided by 10 divided by 5, and we can write this part as 2 over 10 divided by 5. So we must keep the first fraction 2 over 10 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 5 which equals 2 over 50, and this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.